Yes. Hello everyone, and a very good morning to all of you. Today is Wednesday और आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स का डायमेंशन एनालिसिस। आज उसका लास्ट क्लास होने वाला है। लोग सारी की सारी चीज़ें ऑलमोस्ट कवर कर चुके हैं। आज हमें थोड़े गेट के क्वेश्चंस करने और मुझे आपको थोड़ा सा जो फ्रॉड्स नंबर वाला पार्ट बाकी है वो वाला पार्ट खत्म करवाना है। ऑलराइट, सो we'll begin our journey with this code to crack GATE and ESE with India's largest learning platform. ध्यान रखें, गेट में ऑल इंडिया रैंक यू नीड टू गेट अंडर 100. फॉर दैट यू नीड टू स्टडी हार्ड. This is your final goal. You should be all India rank under 100. That's it. Alright. So, before we start, this is something about myself. For those of you who don't know me, this is my name. My name is Ruchin Tejawat, and you need to follow me on Unacademy. I've been teaching on Unacademy from last 4 months, and I have a teaching experience of more than 6 years in the field of GATE, ESE, and PSUs. Apart from that, I have completed my masters from IIT Kanpur, and also I have secured an all India rank of 165 in GATE examination. Alright, now this is my mail ID, ruchin.udz@gmail.com. So you need to do one more thing. You need to follow me on Unacademy. आपको मुझे फॉलो करना है Unacademy पे. फॉलो करते ही आपको नए नए नोटिफिकेशंस मिलने लग जाएंगे. और जो ऑलरेडी जानते हैं उन्हें पता होगा कि मेरे नए नए नोटिफिकेशन जैसे प्लस के नोटिफिकेशन आते रहते हैं. प्लस क्लास कौन सी होने वाली है, स्पेशल क्लास कौन सी होने वाली है, ये सारी चीज़ें ऑलरेडी आपको पता रहेंगी. ऑलराइट, सो विद दिस विल कम टू our next slide, which is on how to download this Unacademy learning app. तो जो भी नए स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिन्हें नहीं पता है कि Unacademy पे कैसे पढ़ाई करनी है, तो उन्हें क्या करना है, सिंपली उनका फ़ोन लेना है. फ़ोन पे जाके प्ले स्टोर पे जाके लिखना है Unacademy लर्निंग ऐप. वो एप्लीकेशन को डाउनलोड कर लेना है. उसके बाद में यू नीड टू सेलेक्ट योर गोल, कि आपका गोल क्या है, वेदर यू वांट टू गो फॉर गेट और ESE और PSU और एनी अदर काइंड ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन. और यहीं पे फ़ोन से ही आप पढ़ाई कर सकते हैं. Alright, this is a brief discussion with me. And now coming to, these are the subscriptions for GATE and ESE. 1 month, 3 month, 6 month, 12 month or 24 month. Whatever suits you. 1 month, 3 month, 6 month, 12 month, 24 month. Good morning Neha. Good morning Arpit. How are you? Alright, 6 month, 12 month, 24 month, आपको जो सब्सक्रिप्शन सूट होता है यू कैन टेक दैट सब्सक्रिप्शन. बट ऑब्जर्व दिस ट्रेंड कि जैसे जैसे आप नीचे जाते जाते आपका पर मंथ का जो कॉस्ट है दैट विल ऑल्सो रिड्यूस, एंड दिस कैन बी फर्दर रिड्यूस्ड इफ यू यूज माई प्रोमो कोड रुचिन लाइव. यू विल गेट 10% एडिशनल डिस्काउंट. राइट, लेट सपोज यू टुक 24 month सब्सक्रिप्शन, द फी इज 30,000, एंड इफ यू यूज माई प्रोमो कोड तो 30,000 का 10%, and 3,000 will be reduced, and the fee that you will have to pay is only 27,000. And that is, please remember, that is for 24 months. That is for 24 months. 24 महीने के लिए है, 2 साल के लिए. So this is quite economical. और ये actually this is not, ये कोई खर्चा नहीं है, ये आपके लिए इन्वेस्टमेंट है. For your career this is an investment. So this much of investment everyone can do. If you are serious about your career, so do not think much. आपको पढ़ाई कर देना शुरू करना है. Okay, all right. So we'll begin with okay. तो हमारा चल रहा है डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस. डायमेंशन एनालिसिस एंड अब इस लेक्चर में हम लोग अभी तक ख़त्म कर चुके हैं हमारा रेनॉल्ड्स नंबर. नेक्स्ट हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे विद फ्रॉड्स नंबर. जो भी स्टूडेंट्स नए आ रहे हैं, जो कि रेगुलर क्लास में नहीं आते हैं, और जो आ जाएं और वो भी अगर पढ़ना चाहते हैं, तो करना ये है कि उन्हें पहले के लेक्चर देखने, फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड डायमेंशन एनालिसिस पे, उसके बाद फोर्थ लेक्चर पे आएंगे तो वो ज़्यादा यूजफुल रहेगा। रादर देन डायरेक्टली कमिंग टू दिस लेक्चर, इट विल बी नॉट ऑफ एनी यूज, क्योंकि उन्हें फ्रॉड नंबर, रेनॉल्ड्स नंबर, मॉडल लॉ कैसे लग रहा है वो समझ में ही नहीं आएगा। ऑल राइट, ओके, सो विल बिगिन विथ फ्रॉड्स नंबर. So Frod's number is denoted by FR. It is the ratio of Frod's number, inertia force to gravity force. हाँ, और ये मैं बार बार बोलता हूँ, प्लीज मेक नोट्स, और कैल्सी अपने साथ में रखना, नोट्स बनाते जाना और कैल्सी भी अपने साथ में रखना. सो Frod's number is basically ratio of inertia force to gravity force. So this is given by V upon under root G into L. सब कुछ सॉल्व करके V upon under root G into L, this is my Frod's number, where टर्म्स ध्यान रखेंगे. दिस इज वेलोसिटी, G हमारा 9.81 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर है. एंड व्हाट इज L? कैन एनीवन टेल मी व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ L? L हमारे लिए क्या होता है? Can anyone tell me what is the value of L? Hi Manish, how are you? Alright, so L is hydraulic depth. This is hydraulic depth. Yes, it is dimension of length only, but length में भी क्या होता है? This is actually hydraulic depth. Now, what is the relation between, what is the difference between hydraulic depth and hydraulic radius? आप लोगों ने पढ़ा, what is the difference between hydraulic depth and hydraulic radius? Hydraulic depth, this is equal to area upon top width, and this is equal to area upon wetted perimeter. एरिया अपॉन टॉप विड्थ, और ये हमारा होता है एरिया अपॉन वेटेड पेरीमीटर. तो डिफरेंस ध्यान रखेंगे. अभी यहाँ पे हाइड्रोलिक डेप्थ हमारे लिए क्या है? L का वैल्यू है. एफ आर इक्वल टू V अपॉन अंडर रूट G इंटू L. ऑलराइट, ओके. अब इसका एप्लीकेशन पे आते हैं. वे टू यूज दिस, नेक्स्ट लिखेंगे फ्रॉड्स लॉ इज एप्लीकेबल इन, सबसे पहले एप्लीकेशन लिखेंगे, कहाँ कहाँ पे एप्लीकेबल होता है. फ्री सरफेस फ्लो such as flow over spillway, weirs, and in open channel flow, जहाँ पे gravity forces are dominant, where gravity forces are dominant. ऑलराइट, सेकंड पे आते हैं, मोशन ऑफ शिप, motion of ship in rough and turbulent sea. Motion of ship in rough and turbulent sea. Alright, these are the applications of Frod's law. Okay, अब इसी लॉ को थोड़ा सा आगे कैरी फॉरवर्ड करते हैं, जिसमें हम लोग सिमिलिट्यूड पढ़ेंगे. Similitude for Frod's model. Now, similitude for Frod's model में क्या होगा, हम लोग लिखेंगे जैसे मॉडल के लिए we will write M, for prototype we will write P. Alright, तो यहाँ पे Frod's number for model will be equal to Frod's number for prototype. हम हर बार यही करते हैं, V upon under root G into L for model should be equal to V upon under root G into L for prototype. अब G तो दोनों के लिए सेम रहेगा, ग्रेविटी तो सबके लिए 9.81 ही लगना है, तो उसे हम लोग हटा देते हैं. अब यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं, V upon under root L M, this is equal to VP अपॉन अंडर रूट LP. अब वही कल वाली चीज लिखते हैं, VM अपॉन VP डिवाइडेड बाय अंडर रूट LM बाय LP, दैट इज इक्वल टू 1. ऑलराइट, तो यहां से क्या कर सकते हैं, ऑलराइट, ओके, सो आई विल टेक इट इन इंग्लिश, आई डोंट हैव अ प्रॉब्लम इन दैट. ऑलराइट, सो दिस VM अपॉन VP, this I will write as velocity ratio divided by Lm by Lp can be written as length ratio, that is equal to 1. No, Dhruv, model size is in general smaller than prototype only, but there are some cases where our model can be greater than prototype also, where our model is greater than prototype also. Like that is in preparation of vaccination, where your prototype is very very small in micrometers or something, and you just enlarge them and then you make all the calculations and all. Alright, so there are cases, but for now itself we'll assume that our model is smaller than the prototype. Alright, okay, so we are upon under root LR equal to 1. So now coming to our first point, Frod's number. This velocity ratio can be written as under root LR. Second, what is time ratio? LR upon VR, that is equal to LR upon VR. LR upon VR is under root LR. So we will get this value as under root LR. Alright, now coming to third, most important, acceleration. This is most important. Acceleration, this is equal to VR by TR, so that is under root LR divided by under root LR, so that is equal to 1. Most important, that the acceleration of a body does not depend upon Frod's number. It is same for both model and prototype. Acceleration equal to 1, AR equal to 1, that means AM by AP equal to 1. This gives acceleration in model will be equal to acceleration in prototype. Acceleration in model shall be equal to acceleration in prototype. So just remember this. This is important. Alright? This is important. So do remember this. Now coming to our fourth part. The fourth is force. So what is force? This is M into AR. This M I can write as rho R into VR into AR. Alright. This is volume. Rho R into volume is actually LR cube. into acceleration ratio is already 1. This value is 1. Alright. Yes. Complete fluid mechanics होगा, but detailed analysis थोड़ा और detail will be on Unacademy Plus. You understand ना कि YouTube पे I cannot give the full content. YouTube पे आपको बस एक gist दिया जा रहा है. इन सब के बारे में और डिटेल, बहुत ज़्यादा डिटेल Unacademy Plus पे होता है. After this force, I can actually calculate what is my power. So power is force into velocity. Force is rho r lr cube into velocity is under root lr. So I will get this as lr to power 3.5. You can get any parameter. You will get any kind of parameter. They can ask you anything. Like they have asked power, they can ask discharge. So what is discharge? Discharge is area into velocity. What is area? Lr square. Velocity is under root lr. So discharge is lr to power 2.5. Just remember this. They can even ask you what is torque. So torque is actually force into distance. So that is force into lr. Fr is rho r lr cube into lr. So that is rho r into lr to power 4. Rho r into lr to power 4. Alright, that is my torque. Everyone's getting me? Alright, so like this, examiner may ask you anything, any parameter. It can ask you what is the pressure. So we can write the relations for pressure also. It can ask you for pressure. So pressure is force upon area. What is force? Rho r into lr cube divided by area is lr square. Alright, so lr square, this will cancel. This is rho r into lr. After this pressure, it can ask you like energy. It can ask you for kinetic energy, for potential energy, etc. It can ask you for anything. It can ask you what is the dimensions of work, anything. It can ask you anything. Alright. So you must be familiar with all these basic formulas which you must have studied in your class 10th, 11th and 12th. Most probably will be asked for class 10th and 12th, 10th and 11th, not for 12th. Alright. So let's solve a few questions. So everyone is ready? You must have written everything. Alright, so here is my first question. 1:50 spillway model has a discharge of 1.25 meter cube per second. What is the corresponding discharge? What is the corresponding discharge in prototype? If a flood phenomena takes 12 hours to occur, in the prototype, then how long should it take in the model? We need to solve this question. Huh. So everyone take out your calci, try and solve this question and tell me what is your answer. From now we'll be solving only some numericals. A 1:50 spillway model has a discharge of 1.25 meter cube per second. What is the corresponding discharge in prototype? If a flood phenomena takes 12 hours to occur in the prototype, how long should it take in the model? $442. No, Masha, it's not correct. $442 is not the correct answer. Everyone, please try. I'll solve the question at 8:26. You have time of 3 minutes. आज मुश्किल है शुभ्रांशु. Actually, today I have to finish this topic. It was to finish in the last class. कल ही खत्म होना था, but ये हुआ नहीं है. तो आज मुझे ये खत्म करना है, and then we'll take the doubt. या फिर मैं आपको क्वेश्चन का सॉल्यूशन एज इट इज कुछ करके बता दूंगा. Double 2097. Yes, perfect now. Perfect. Yes, Basha. I'm sorry, अर्पित. आज मुझे अगर ये टॉपिक फिनिश हो जाएगा देन आई विल टेल यू. 100% आई विल टेल यू जैसे ये टॉपिक फिनिश हो जाएगा. A 1:50 spillway model has a discharge of 1.25 meter cube per second. What is the corresponding discharge in the prototype? Alright, everyone else, please solve. $1.7. Yes, perfect. So here you will get results as Alright, so we are given 1:50 spillway model. Alright, 1:50 spillway model. That means my LR is 1/50, and I have been given a discharge of 1.25 meter cube per second. So model discharge I have been given as 1.25 meter cube per second. I have to calculate what is the prototype discharge. So QR is LR to part 2.5. That means QM by QP is 1/50 to part 2.5. QM is actually 1.25 upon QP is 1/50 to power 2.5. So from here, QP you will get as 22097 meter cube per second. Alright, and then time, TR equal to under root LR, TM by TP equal to under root 1/50, yes, 1/50, and I am given Tm by 12, that is equal to under root 1/50, so I will get Tm equal to 1.69 hours, approximately 1.7. Basha, the modeling part is not in the BTech course, it actually comes in master's or PhD course. Like I have done modeling for environmental engineering. For air pollution, I have created models. Alright, so these models are not in your course, in your BTech syllabus. So do not worry about that. You should be able to solve this question for now. 1.0 meter long model of a ship is stored in a towing tank at a speed of 81 centimeter per second to what speed of the ship 64 meter long does this correspond? Right, these are single line questions asked in GATE examination. Arpit, I will tell you the list today. List of mechanical engineering books. Stay tuned till the last time, until last of this lecture, and I will tell you all. For now, you just solve this expression. Let's solve this expression. 648 unit. Correct, Ara? 648 is correct. But what is the unit? That unit is 648 centimeter per second. All right. So now let's solve this expression. Others also please solve. Yes, Basha, 100% correct. A 1 meter long model of a ship is stored in a towing tank at a speed of 81 centimeter per second. That means the velocity of model is given as 0.81 meter per second. Yes, very good. LR is given as 1 by 64. 64 is given over here. The VR equal to under root LR. So you just solve this expression, we'll get Vm upon Vp equal to under root Lm by Lp. From here, velocity of prototype I will get is 6.48 meter per second. Alright everyone. Very good Arpit, very good Neha, Basha. You're doing great work. Alright, now let's come to the next question. A model boat one by 100 size of its prototype has 0.12 Newton of resistance when simulating a speed of 5 meter per second of the prototype. Water is fluid. In both the cases, what is the corresponding resistance in the prototype? Friction drag and air drag, that you will solve using Reynolds model. Alright. If it is asking about drag, we need to solve using Reynolds model. Alright, now we are talking about model boat, so it is obvious you need to use Frod's law. So this is how you will calculate whether you need Reynolds model law or you need this Frod's model law. 120 kilonewton, exactly. Very good. kilonewton. So everyone please solve. Manohar has already solved. हाँ everyone, what is the answer? Alright, you just solve this expression. This is given as LR. The ratio is given as 1 by 50. Model, force on model is given as 0.12 Newton. Yes, Neha, very good. I'll tell you, Basha, वो कैसा आएगा. FP, you will get as FR equal to LR cube. Water is fluid. In both the cases, the densities are same. Alright, so you will get Fm upon Fp, that is equal to 1 by 100 to whole power 3. So from here you will get force on prototype as 120 kilonewton. Alright, so that's very good. You are able to solve questions quite easily. Now let's come to the next question. I will tell you the list of books and all. A model of an open channel. Model of an open channel is built to a scale of 1 by 100. If the model has a Manning's n equal to 0.013, to what value of prototype the roughness coefficient would this correspond? Now solve this part. It will be a bit tricky. And then we will solve some numericals of gate. Solve this expression. Yes. बाशा ट्राई अ बिट मोर, थोड़ा सा और ट्राई करो. एवरीवन प्लीज ट्राई अ बिट मोर, से सॉल्व हो जाएगा क्वेश्चन. Okay, I will solve this question exactly after 3 minutes. Till then, you just try. It is easy, not so tough. This question was asked in GATE examination. I must tell you this. No, not. This is not the correct answer. 0.13. Alright. So now let's solve. A model of an open channel is built to a scale of 1 by 100. LR is given as 1 by 100. If the model has a Manning's n, equal to 0.013, model के लिए we have given 0.013, to what value of prototype the roughness coefficient does this correspond? Now what is the value of roughness coefficient? NP. That means we have to calculate value of NP. Alright, this is very easy. Alright, very easy. So now let's write this expression. We have given just these two things. बस ये दो चीजें दे रखी है, एक रेशियो दे रखा है, स्केल रेशियो दे रखा है, और मॉडल के लिए मैनिंग्स कोफिशिएंट दे रखा है. ऑलराइट, तो अब यहाँ पे क्या लिख सकते हैं? मैनिंग्स कांस्टेंट वेलोसिटी इज गिवन बाय m to the power 2 by 3 into under root I. This is the relation as per Manning's equation. As per Manning's equation, V की जगह आ जाएगा VR 1 upon NR into LR to power 2 by 3 into under root I. तो under root I, what is the dimensions of slope? M0, L0, T0. It is dimensionless. Slope, angle, whatever it is. So this velocity can be written as under root LR Now can you solve? LR to power 1 by 2. So this expression I will get as LR to power 1 by 6. So from here NR equal to LR to power 1 by 6, and model I am given as 1 by 100. NR I can write as Nm upon Mp 1 by 100 to power 1 by 6. So just solve this expression. For model it is given as 0.013. Np I need to find 1 by 100 to power 1 by 6. So if I solve this, I will get Np as 0.028. Everyone's got me? ऑलराइट, ये क्वेश्चन गेट का था, जो आपको अभी क्वेश्चन कराया वो गेट का क्वेश्चन था। लाइकवाइज मैं आपको दूसरा क्वेश्चन दे रहा हूं, दिस क्वेश्चन इज आल्सो ऑफ गेट। क्वेश्चन इज भाषा, डू नॉट लुक एट दिस कि ये मैकेनिकल में इंपॉर्टेंट है कि नहीं है। आपको आपको इंजीनियरिंग पढ़नी है, वेदर इट इज सिविल और मैकेनिकल। आप इंजीनियरिंग पढ़ो, आपका क्वेश्चन हो जाएगा। लॉन्ग विथ maximum flood discharge of 10,000 meter cube per second is to be physically modeled in a lab where maximum available discharge is 0.20 meter cube per second. For a geometrically similar model and on the basis of Freud's law, the length of the river in the model is, for A point it is, B it is 25, C it is 20.5, D it is 18. Alright, solve this expression. Solve this expression. Tell me what is the answer that you are getting. Everyone please solve और मुझे इसका आंसर बताओ। 26.4 मीटर, दैट्स परफेक्ट, बहुत अच्छे। राइट, 26.4 मीटर बिल्कुल परफेक्ट है। वेरी गुड भाषा, वेरी गुड। क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है क्या इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है उसके लिए आई विल टेल यू अ वेरी स्मॉल स्टेटमेंट। इफ यू वांट टू क्रैक गेट देन ऑल इंडिया रैंक अंडर 100 irrespective of your branch, irrespective of your branch, whether you are from civil, mechanical or electrical, आप किसी भी ब्रांच से हो आपको सारे टॉपिक्स पढ़ने पड़ेंगे। यस अर्पित, वेरी गुड, एवरीवन इज डूइंग ग्रेट, यू गॉट द करेक्ट आंसर। आप किसी भी ब्रांच से हो आपको सारे के सारे टॉपिक्स पढ़ने पड़ेंगे अगर आपको ऑल इंडिया रैंक अंडर 100 आना है। ऑलराइट, सो नाउ एज डिस्कस्ड, हमारा एक्चुअली टॉपिक तो अभी फिनिश नहीं हुआ है, बट आई विल टेल यू लिस्ट ऑफ बुक्स फॉर मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग एमई। कौन कौन मैकेनिकल वाले हैं प्लीज लेट मी नो। I will write off at this side subject and then I have book. All right, yes. तो मैं आपको हर एक सब्जेक्ट के लिए अलग अलग बुक्स बता दूंगा। So the first is heat and mass transfer, heat and mass transfer. So you can refer book by P.K. Nag, John Leonard. Alright, these are two good books. Okay, for second, you should refer P.K. Nag more oftenly. Okay, after this we have thermodynamics. I'm talking in-depth book. So you can take P.K. Nag again, and also you have one more book which is your by Dr. N.D. Haridas, and also you have one more book by R.K. Rajput. Alright, personally I will recommend कि आप इस book के लिए जाओ. This is a good book. Third is, after this thermodynamics we have thermal engineering. So thermal engineering is by R.K. Rajput. Fourth we have fluid mechanics. So fluid mechanics you can refer Modi and Seth. You can refer K. Subramanya. Fifth is Soam. For Soam, you should refer one and only book, that is Gary and Timoshenko, Soam and Mechanics, for both, for Soam and Mechanics. Alright. For mechanics, there is one more book. I should just write this over here. For mechanics, apart from Gary and Timoshenko, we have one more book which is Osgood. Osgood G.J. Troop. This is also a foreign author. अच्छा है. बीसी पूनमिया आपका सेमेस्टर एग्जाम निकालने के लिए अच्छा होता है. When we talk about qualifying examinations like GATE and ESE, so you need a book जो कि completely focus करती हो GATE और ESE को, not semester examinations. The level of questions has to be good also. BC Punamiya is okay. Semester में पढ़ते हैं BC Punamiya. For manufacturing, we have HN Gupta. For industrial unit engineering, you have OP Khanna. Also, you have a book by Anil Kumar. Next, we have refrigeration. Refrigeration, you can refer book by Trott and Welch. Tenth, you have machine design. For machine design, you can refer Bhandari. Very famous book. This book is very much famous for this machine design. Alright. You can also refer book by R.S. Khurmi. Just for this. R.S. Khurmi. Now for 11th, we have Tom. Theory of Machine. R.S. Khurmi. And there is one more, which is your Joseph Shigley. IC engine. You can refer R.K. Rajput also. एक फॉरेन है एक इंडियन है, वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट, जो भी आपको पीडीएफ में मिल जाए. जोसेफ हाइटनर. और लास्ट है हमारा मटेरियल साइंस. सारे के सारे बिल्कुल अलग करके मोस्ट फेमस बुक दैट इज जॉन मार्टिन. हाँ, रामामूर्तम के लिए सोम इज ऑल्सो ओके. सॉरी, सोम के लिए रामामूर्तम भी ठीक है. रामामूर्तम ऑल्सो यू कैन रेफर. लास्ट लिख लेते हैं वाइब्रेशन. एक बुक और रह रही है, वाइब्रेशन. Manish, do not refer Gupta and Gupta. That is for SSC JEE. Gupta and Gupta is for SSC JEE and RRB JEE. That is not for your GATE in ESE. GATE in ESE के लिए बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. So do not refer that book. Alright, do not refer Gupta and Gupta for GATE in ESE. इसमें plus there are errors also, so do not refer that. इसके अलावा कोई सा भी रेफर करो, Gupta and Gupta do not refer. Alright, so this is that guys, the complete list of books for mechanical engineering. हर एक सब्जेक्ट के लिए अलग से मैंने बताया. If you want to go into much detail, you should refer different books. Alright. You will get you can get separate study material also, books also you can get. All right, okay, so आज के लिए हमारा इतना ही है. For tomorrow we'll meet at 8 to 9 AM again. मनीष, मैंने कल ही बताया था सिविल इंजीनियरिंग के लिए बुक्स, कल या परसों बताई थी पूरी. Watch the lecture properly. fluid mechanics on YouTube. And then you can observe 10 to 12 noon we are studying foundation engineering. Foundation engineering, alright, that is on Unacademy Plus. Unacademy Plus. Alright, आपको कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम है मेल मी. समटाइम्स आई गेट अ बिट बिजी और मैं रिप्लाई नहीं कर पाता हूँ. आई एग्री विद दैट बिकॉज आपकी तरह से ही जैसे आप लोग मुझे मेल करते हो वैसे आई गेट ऑन एन एवरेज 100 मेल्स अ डे. एवरेज मुझे 100 मेल्स मिलते हैं तो मैं सबको रिप्लाई भी नहीं कर पाता हूँ. ऑलराइट. एंड हाँ, इफ़ यू वांट टू एनरोल टू अनअकैडमी और आप वाकई में कुछ अच्छा पढ़ना चाहते हैं तो यूज़ माय प्रोमो कोड Ruchin Life. You will get 10% additional discount, and this promo code is valid both for civil engineering and mechanical engineering. Alright, this will be valid for both the subject, both the branches. So you use my promo code now. पढ़ाई करना शुरू करो और गेट में ऑल इंडिया रैंक अंडर 100 आने के लिए एवरी डे स्टडी हार्ड. ऑलराइट. मनीष गुप्ता एंड गुप्ता आप लोगों के एसएससी जेई के ऑब्जेक्टिव बुक है. इफ यू वांट टू प्रिपेयर फॉर गेट तो गेट के लिए यू डू नॉट नीड एनी काइंड ऑफ स्पेसिफिक बुक्स. आपको प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन ही सॉल्व करने होते हैं. यू जस्ट डाउनलोड प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस, ओके, और आप उसको सॉल्व करना है गेट के लिए. ऑलराइट. So everyone, take your leave. We'll meet tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye bye.